So you all have studied about the tens and ones. Now you know which number is the tens and ones in the two-digit number. So for example, we have the number here 35. So we have the model of 35 and also the place value of 35. So in 35, we have 3 as tens. As you can see the model here, we have 3 tens and 5 ones. So we rewrite it as 3 tens and 5 ones. So 3 tens and 5 ones becomes the number 35. So the same way we have 38. We have 3 blocks of 10, that is 3 groups of 10 and 8 groups of 1. So that is 38. So 3 tens and 8 ones becomes the number 38. Now 2 tens. So 2 groups of 10. We have here yellow color 2 groups of 10. That is 2 tens and 8 ones. So 8 groups of ones. Then we have 39. So that becomes 3 tens and 9 ones. And when you draw the model, you draw as the 3, 1, 2, 3, and then we have the 9 ones. Now, if you had one more, that becomes the tens, and then it comes in the group of tens. So now it's only 9. So these are in the ones form. So that becomes the 39. So this is how we are going to do the tens and the ones. Let's see the place value.
Picking pairs, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's all that fit inside the ones place value line. So I picked another pair and made a group of 10 to fit into a bag perfectly even. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. I had to keep picking pairs of hunger I had to feed. So I picked another 10, and that led to one group of 100. The pair bonked me on the head, and I said, 10 ones make 10. 10 groups of 10 are 100. 10 hundreds make 1,000. The pattern never ends. I rode my bike 1 whole mile, then 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and in a little while, another mile made one group of 10. A little voice inside my head said, keep going, I know you can. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. I never knew I had so many miles inside me. The end of my trip was coming up ahead. I rode 10 more miles and reached 100. Then that little voice inside my head said, 10 ones make 10. 10 groups of 10 are 100. 10 hundreds make 1,000.
3 came strolling through the door. There were 2 rows of seats lined up on the floor. The rows were labeled tens and ones. That's all he knew, no more. He sat down in the row of tens and waited patiently. He did not know that sitting there would make him turn 30. It wasn't until the number 3 sat in the row of ones. She looked at him and said, now we are 33. So if you see 2 number rows of ones and tens, you better know their place. Let's try it once again. If a 2 sits in a ones place and a 3 sits in the tens, by golly, you have 32, and this is not the end. Imagine if number 3 came strolling through the door. There were 2 rows of seats lined up on the floor. The rows were labeled tens and ones. She sat with the tens once more. In strolled number 5, looking rather sore. Guess what 3 said? How do you do? I see you found your place. We are 2 digits sitting side by side. We are number 35.
So now you know how they fill in the places, that is in the tens place and the ones place. When there is no number in the tens place, the digit will be only the single number that is called the 5. If there is no 3, it is only 5. And here it becomes 0. But when you have in the tens place, you have 3. And in the ones place, you don't have any number, it becomes 30. 3, 0. But now you have in the tens place, we have 3. And in the ones place, we have 5. So that becomes now 35, and that's a 2-digit number. So there are 2 numbers, so it's called a 2-digit number. That is in the tens place and also in the ones place. So this is how they occupy their places in the tens and the ones. Now let's move on to your textbook page 367, everyone. Open the page 367. So I'm going to draw here 25. So I'm going to make a 2 lines. That gives me the 10. That is 2 tens and 5 ones. So how many circles I'm going to draw for the ones? That's 5 circles. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's the number 25. Don't draw the circles for the tens, okay? Just draw the straight line. Draw the line. 2 lines. Don't draw like this circles. Don't draw the circles till 10. Just draw the lines. Now the next number we have is 50. 50. So the tens place we have here, this is the tens place and this is the ones place. So again, we have on 50, we have the tens place and 0 on ones place. So when I have 5 on the tens place, so I'm going to draw the 5 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I have 5 tens. And do I have to draw the ones here? No, because it says 0, 1. So I'm not going to draw any ones here. So no need to draw the circles. Yes, very good. Lamar, Miral, yes, it's 50. Very good, Livia. So you're just going to draw the 5 lines. Now, the next one we have is 52. So I'm going to draw 5 lines. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's 5 tens. And how many ones I have here? Yes, that's 2 ones. So 1, 2. 2 circles for ones. So now look at the number here, 25 and 52. It looks similar, okay? But the numbers is changed the places now. The 2 is in the tens place in 25 and 5 is in the ones place. But when it is 52, the 5 is in the tens place and 2 is in ones place. So it changes its places, it changes its position. So now it has a different tens and different ones. Now, let's move on to the next page is 368. 368. page 368. We have here the number just after 99 is 100. You all know after 99 we have 100. The 10 tens is the same as 100. When you put all the tens together, that is 10 blocks, 10 groups of 10, that makes 100. So draw a quick picture to show 99 and 100. So first I'm going to draw here 99 and then we are going to make 100. When you have 99, look here, I have 9 tens and 9 ones. So I'm going to draw 9 tens first. So that is 9 standing lines. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So this is 9 tens. That is 9 groups of tens. Now I'm going to look at the ones here. So how many ones I have here? 9. So that means I'm going to draw the 9 ones. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So that's 9 tens and 9 ones. That becomes 99. Nine tens and 9 ones. That becomes 99. So which is the next number after 99? We have 100. Now if I have here 9, if I put one more, that becomes 100 because I'm going to make this as 10. When I make a group of 10 here, now I have only 9. Listen carefully. I have only 9 here once. When I put one small cube or one block, it joins to the 9 and it makes 10. And it becomes 10 and it joins again to the 10. So 10 and 10 makes 100. So here I'm going to make 10 standing lines. So because it is 10, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have 10 groups of 10. When I have 10 groups of 10, that makes 100. So let's write the number. 10 tens and 0 ones make the 100. Now, use your math board and the cubes or the blocks here to show the tens and the ones, write the numbers. So we are going to use the model or the blocks or the cubes here. We are going to count and then write the tens and the ones and all together the number what it makes. So question number 1. So we are going to count how many we have the tens and the ones. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So I have 7 tens and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I have 9 ones. So what's the number it makes? 7 and 9 makes 79. 7 and 9 make 79. Very good. Rawand, Lamar. Yes, very good, Zainab. Zainab has already finished the whole page. Very good. Excellent, Miral. Yes. So that gives you 79.